Welcome to the Show. Episode 7, and 7 is a lucky number. And because of this special occasion, Mr. Penguin shall eat our previous host, Mr. Fry. Okay, there. Now, we'll cue our theme song. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, okay, that's it. Okay. Now today, Mr. Penguin will introduce our special guest, Miss Cat. But last time it was Mrs. Cat, not Miss Cat. Tricked you there. Oh. Now, Mr. Penguin will respond to that remark.
Ha 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 ha.
Mr. Penguin has exited the stage. Miss Cat, now how is your life as a celebrity? Please tell us. Great! Thank you for that great thing. And now we even have a new microphone. Came from an authentic Mario Party 7 game for GameCube. And there's our Wii remote, and there's a plate next to it, and there's a half-eaten fries. That's it for today.